Okay, so we're gonna unbox the polo t-shirt for Tokyo Manjikai, and yeah, let's start. So this is on Sano Manjiro Socho, it means the captain, and yeah, so this is the t-shirt, and it's kind of like this. So I'm gonna put the link on this one if you're gonna buy this thing. So it's already like that. I don't want to edit the entire thing, so I cannot see the Manji sign anyway, and that's gonna get me a lot of trouble. So I'm gonna edit this later on. And you already know that the uncensored ship on this Manji, you cannot show this thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this on the link.